morning, children. Today in our drawing class, we will be learning to make an umbrella. So, let's start. Today in our drawing class, we will be drawing umbrella. Okay, so take a fresh page in your drawing book and what will be the date? The date is 26th February, that is 02, 2021. This is your date. And the topic is umbrella. You have to write UMBRELLA, umbrella. Now let's draw umbrella. So we have to draw a straight line like this. This is the handle of our, this is the stem of our umbrella, and here you can make a small curve, that is the handle of our umbrella. This is done. Draw a straight line upwards like this, and then you have to make a curve this way. So we have made a curve over here. Like this, and now one curve, two curve, again from here one curve, two curve. That is it. We have our umbrella here. And now from here make a slanting curve upwards, same ways. Here also we have to make a curve. Now at the top make a small, you can make a small triangle at the top, and here a small oval shape design you can make over here. That is it, your umbrella is ready, children. Now you just have to color it. For the stem, for the stick of the umbrella, this is the stick of the umbrella, right? So I am using a black color crayon to color the stick of my umbrella. This is done. The handle. For the handle I am using a brown crayon. I've colored the handle using a brown crayon. Now you can use different colors of your choice and color your umbrella. Here I am using a pink crayon to color the first part of my umbrella. As I always say, you can first make a border, draw a border using a crayon and then fill the color inside. Colored the first part. Now I am using, say, light blue. I am using a light blue crayon, a sky blue crayon. I'll fill the second part of my umbrella using this sky blue crayon. is done. Now I am using a green crayon. This is again parrot green, light green color. You are finished. Now I am using orange crayon. So here I have finished coloring my umbrella using different colors. What you can do is, you can color the tip that you have made over here. For that I am using, violet color. I'll color the tip over here using violet. We are done. Now what we can do is, we can make a few raindrops. So here we are making a few raindrops. We use the umbrella when it rains, right? So we can make few raindrops. And we will color these raindrops. You can use this blue crayon and shade it all across your page. You can just use your crayon and just spread it all across the page like this. This will give a nice effect to your drawing. And now the raindrops. Here we have finished our umbrella along with the rain and the raindrops. So this is how you have to draw an umbrella in your drawing book and color it beautifully. Hope you enjoy doing this. Have a great day. Thank you.